Today we got 400 yards of poo-poo, horse poo-poo from a local stable over here. It was 20 18-wheelers, 20 yards each, and it's good stuff. It's really composted. Some of the stuff the guy said was there for 7 years. It right here in a 1-acre new orchard we're going to grow and plant trees, lots of awesome cool trees, and also a vineyard and some table grapes, all kind of other fun stuff. Right here I just made a culvert the other day. I'll show you all these big piles. Got a big pile of sticks too. Gonna burn that. That'll give good nutrients to the soil also. Look how dark this pile is over here. You can see, oh, it's just so fluffy and nice. Let me show you some more. Oh, look at those dark, nice piles. Well, there's a little lighter colored pile. Right here, I'm going to show you, I got some grapes growing along the fence. Some muscadines. Just a second here. Show you the mulberries. There's a white mulberry. It got eaten by the horse. So a little everbearing. There's a big everbearing mulberry. Just got the leaves got eaten by the horses, but you can see it's got little mulberries on it. How cool and yummy. It's been pruned a few times. It's only 10 months old. You got a Pakistan mulberry. Horses ate the leaves on that too, but it's coming back strong. See the lovely golf cart. We're here going to the front part of the property. Some of these trees haven't done too great. The apple trees don't seem to grow that awesome over here. And then some of the other trees, I had overwatered a couple that died, but there's some doing well. Look at these apple trees right here. The pomegranates are doing very well. Nice plum right there. And some figs over here. There's an Italian fig. Right here we got an LSU purple fig with some figs on it. Would you look at that? Got about half a dozen of them. Just a little bitty right now. I'm trying to put a few more fig trees in here over by the mailbox. Maybe run some kiwi on the fence right there. Give you another look at the nice steamy piles. There's a grape right there. And another little grape, kind of hard to see. Look at our beautiful lake. Crepe myrtle. Some olive trees. We got about 6 more olive trees to plant. And we're coming up here on our avocado trees. The Joey avocado we're going to show you first. Look how great this thing's growing. Avocados are very sensitive to light when they're young, but this one has done well. Growing really good. The other ones I got covered a little bit better, but they're not doing quite as good. This one I didn't cover at all, and it died. See, I spread this manure all around so the roots grow into that new fertile soil. Show you around the lake. Right here we got a strawberry tree. Right there's a muscadine. You see the little strawberry tree. Arbutus unida. The little muscadines. Muscadines. They're all little bitty right now. A loquat. I did an air layer on that loquat. Papaya, guava. Oh, look, there's some horses. We got Megan is the girl and Romeo. We're boarding those. Over here we got strawberry guava, lemon guava, avocado. A little avocado tucked in there. Some more piles. And piles of wood chips. Also is getting wood chips delivered from a local company for free. Just call your local tree trimming company, see if they can bring you some wood chips. Right here we got our garden area. Already spread it about 8 inches to a foot thick. Right here we just ran a culvert under the road. Right here, persimmon trees. I just cut this thing back to a nub in the winter, and look how it all sprouted out. And the chocolate persimmon. This one's growing like crazy too. Little goji berry. Another goji berry with the goji berry on it. This one is rootstock. The lime tree had died. The rootstock's a trifoliate orange. I may try to graft to it, otherwise I'll take it out. But I may try a satsuma and a sweet orange. Here's our one of our satsuma trees. It's just absolutely loaded. The branches are weighed down to the ground. Like everything was hanging on the ground. Look, there's a tart kumquat. It's loaded too. It's brand new. Fig tree, brown turkey fig, lemon tree. There's back to the satsuma. There's another satsuma. This tree's loaded also. Sweet orange. Puts out some really good juice. Here's another lemon tree and another brown turkey fig. There's a tractor. Here's another culvert I just put in. You pretty that up a little bit. Here we got a Granny Smith apple, 2 of them. And a 4-in-1 apple. I wasn't able to pick the varieties here, but they're growing really good. Jonna Gold, Yellow Delicious, a cane, and a Lodi. Hopefully we'll have enough chill hours, even though I saw something where they chill hours don't always apply, so maybe it'll work. We got some different kind of blueberries in here. They're still really small. And kiwi, Anna kiwi, Ken's kiwi, the male kiwi. There's another kiwi and another kiwi. Kiwis are very easy to propagate. Fig tree. There's one little fig on it. Kind of hard to see. This is a Celeste fig. Granny Smith apple dwarf. And we have a bunch of different varieties of fruiting banana. Ice cream banana, dwarf Namwa, Orinoco, Grand Nain, the double Mahoy, truly tiny. There's a few Vente Kahule. Here we got elderberry. Some more elderberry. More elderberry, bananas, and blackberry coming back. Strawberry, blackberry, another little berry right there. Here's some kiwi. Coming into some more kiwi. Got kiwi. Oh, look, some ducks. Got 19 Indian runner ducks. They're the fawn and white variety. Some more kiwi. And pear trees. That is an Orient pear. Pineapple pear. We had some disease problems. I had to prune some of these kind of heavy. There's a Orient pear, pineapple pear, Orient pear, and big giant pecan tree. Things 2-3 foot around at the base. It's loaded. Show you. Look at this playset I built all myself. Designed it. Built it from scratch. Here we have different Kiefer pear, and an Ayers pear, and a Bradford pear. Bradford pear doesn't put out edible fruits. Big giant burn pile. Nice pretty day at the lake. And here's where the magic happens. We got a little miniature nursery here just on stock of stuff we're growing to put in the ground. Bunch of Asian pears, bunch of asparagus, loquats, olives, pomegranates, look, figs in there. A whole bunch of cuttings I'm doing. Gotta look at all these mulberry cuttings I just put in, and they're already flowering. The flowers were not there before. More cuttings. Get those cuttings going good. Some muscadines I did. You see those figs. There's a cherry moya, avocado, apple, so blackberries, more avocado, fig, cherry. We got some hazelnut, another apple. This is a chocolate vine, some little strawberry plants, mimosa trees, loquat. Got a bunch of strawberries mixed in there. Banana. Made a little mess of the lawnmower. Sprayed some of the compost back on there. We'll have to wash that off. Papaya trees.